Hey folks, happy Monday and welcome to this week's Solais Scoop. Were you aware that Solais Lighting does custom retrofit kits? What? That's right, custom retrofit kits. You have your existing T6 LED Gen 1, Gen 2, or compact fluorescent fixtures in the ceiling. We build you this custom retrofit kit. You bypass the ballast/driver, and we build you a custom little bracket on the top so you can take that socket out, install our socket, connect it, and you've got a brand new LED fixture. It's that simple. And down the road, you can now replace that whole fixture again with that module. We're able to do that with our modular technology. This same module fits in our recessed multiples, in our cylinders, our standard downlights, adjustable downlights, and, like I just mentioned, our retrofit kits. For more information, please reach out to us. Otherwise, have a great Monday.